vlog. Yep, I just finished recording two snippets for some videos. I did a review on my jewelry from Anna Louisa. So freaking cute. I have necklace, bracelet, and I have the earrings on right now, 3 pieces. So cute. And also I just did a review on brand Mauves. My mother told me about their brand. She purchased their turbans. And I was like, oh, that's so cute, Mom. Let me go ahead and reach out to them and see if they want to collaborate with me in the video. And they did. So I got 2 of their turbans. And that is pretty much it. I'm getting ready to probably do a boomerang and take a picture. And we ordered dinner, so we having Chinese food today. So we're about to go pick that up, eat our dinner, and then I think we're gonna watch Candyman tonight. Have y'all watched Candyman? I don't like remakes. Yeah, I'm not good with remakes. Now, if it's a sequel, okay, maybe, but the sequel can't be 20 years later. I don't like that either too much. But a whole remake of a classic movie, but my boyfriend want to watch it. I mean, he want to watch it, so we're gonna watch that tonight. Just chill Saturday night. That's about it. Nothing else has really been going on. Do people still use boomerang? I don't know. I do. This is cute. Alright, let me do a couple boomerangs and pictures and talk.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Start to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow and staring out the window. It's on a star for a sign. It's the reason why. Lord,
I like this. This is good. This is good. You like it? Mm-hmm. So I made one for my sister and myself. I'm getting ready to braid all that thick old hair, some jumbo braids. But you like it? Mm-hmm. So as y'all saw, I just made us some blueberry matcha latte, and she's loving it.
I'm loving it. You don't even need a lot.
Cheers.
It is very the potency.
It is. Mm-hmm. All right. All right, let's start this hair. Okay, y'all. So I just finished doing my sister Kia hair. So these are not knotless. These are just some jumbo, what you call them, traditional braids.
Traditional.
Yeah, that's what the girls call them now, traditional. Yeah, so they're not knotless. They're just jumbo traditional braids. And she got 1,000 inches, whatever they was. But they get about a
52 inches, thank
the
you.
longest length. Okay, turn it to the back. Ah, dang, 99 inches.
52.
52. Felt like 99, but she said 52. All the way down.
Tails.
Turn around, sweetie.
This way.
Cute, cute, cute. Love them. All right. Okay. That's how we act in this family when we get our hair done. We don't know how to act. Okay. And she is one of them.
We is.
Happy Saturday. So we are at Dunkin Donuts in the drive-thru picking up our breakfast as usual on Saturdays. This is what we do. I'm trying the new pumpkin cold brew latte. So let me see how that tastes. I was determined not to get anything that had pumpkin in it until it was October, and it's October now. So I said, okay, I'll try it. Let's see. Oh, it's good. So I got the pumpkin cold brew, extra pumpkin swirl, light ice, and almond milk. Tastes really good.
I give you drinks, right?
And then I didn't know Dunkin Donuts had turkey products. I had one of their Beyond breakfast sandwiches before. That was disgusting. It was dry. I didn't like it. So I was just getting the turkey, sausage, egg, croissant. All right, I'm about to eat my food while he's driving. And I think we're going to Target and to the market.
Baby,
we got a bunch of stuff from Target, but I just wanted to show y'all these cups. I am obsessed with nice cups. And I only like sets of 2 cups because 4 and 6 is too much for us. So 2 is enough. And I finally got my double wall big old cups. And originally it said it was $30 and it was on sale for $21. And then when I got to the cash register, it rung up as $15. So you know your girl love a good savings, okay? And while one of the cups we got from the Goodwill last vlog or 2 ago, he broke one of them. It wasn't even me this time. But anyway, these are the glasses, double wall glasses, 15 fluid ounces. I've been looking for these for a while. Alright, we made it back in the house. I'm going to show y'all real quick what we got from Target, Aldi's, and Giant. Start with Target items. I already showed y'all these in the car. My 2 double wall glass cups. Vaseline. The beer balm that my man likes to use. So toothbrush for both of us. I like soft toothbrushes and he like medium. We got a whitening mouthwash and then we got an antibacterial mouthwash, cotton pads, whitening toothpaste, pads. This is the shower gel I've been using, but they changed the bottle. It's skinnier and tall. I'm gonna go upstairs and see if they put more fluid ounces in here. Probably not, just change the packaging. But this is the shower gel from Love Beauty and Planet. This is the turmeric tonic. You got some shower gel, Dove, Men Care, Febreze, face wash, Cetaphil. And I need a new loofah for my shower gel. Alright, so this is Aldi's and Target. Some dish detergent, trash bags. And these are some protein drinks that my man like to get. Blueberries, some grapes. Got this from Giant. Got it for free. Don't forget to download your local grocery store app so you can see what offers they have. Got the French vanilla, sun-dried tomatoes. We're making paninis, chicken slices, cutlets, or whatever you want to call those. Sourdough bread to make our paninis on. You got 2 packs of those. Some regular potato bread, chips, orange juice, asparagus, garlic, and olive oil jasmine rice. 3 of my yogurts. I don't know what the rest of the paper towels, but we got a bunch of paper towels. We got some Tide as well from Target. Let's say orange juice, and these drinks for him. What are they? Killcliff, all natural. So he got a couple of those, and that is it. We're about to put the rest of this stuff up and probably run back out to another store. That's cute, like a little latte. I picked this one so far because I like the way that smells. I can't do too strong smells, so this one is one that I want to grab. And he's looking for some more. Oh my goodness, look at this. Y'all see that? Mac and cheese. Let me see how this smells. And it smells just like macaroni and cheese, some funky cheese. Smell it, babe. He said, what is that? You see his mac and cheese? Ooh, it stinks. I don't know who would want the house to smell like that. It don't even smell like good cheese. It smells like cheese that's aged. We're looking around for some more candles. Another crazy one. This smells good. It doesn't smell like mashed potatoes. It smells sweet. Hey y'all, I'm in the vitamin shop. Remember I was telling y'all I was looking for a cleanse. I was looking at this. And I had to screenshot on my phone because a couple people I watch, they were using this, putting a couple drops in their water, and they said it worked really good. So I think I'm going to try this. And also I wanted some sea moss, but So I'll probably come back and grab some later and just make sure it's all natural sea moss. We just got back in from our second run. So we went to a vitamin shop, and my boyfriend, he really liked these drinks. They taste so good. I like them too. We got a big case from Costco's, but we haven't been back yet. So he just brought these two from the vitamin shop. I showed y'all in the shop. I've been looking for this Chlorophyll, and I'm gonna start drinking this with some water every day. See how it helps me out with my skin, detox, a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna start drinking that. And we got our 2 candles from Marshall's. So we got the winter candle. It smells so freaking good. My man, he was looking for this kind of candle. He wanted the downstairs area to smell like winter. So cute with a tree. And for upstairs, I picked this one out with the white flowers. Smells so freaking good. Smell like Christmas time. But we still have a little bit of the Havana Rose and Gardenia. I like flower smells downstairs. Crazy thing is, I don't really care for how real flowers, how they smell okay, but I love flower scented candles. Crazy, I know. I don't know. So we have this one to add to the bunch. Well, you know what? I might put it over here. Move all this stuff.
Overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the boat, work it in the milk. I wanna ride the boat, work it in the milk. I wanna remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we broke it up, you know the feelings deep inside. So you, what we've been through, I miss you, and you can't lie, you miss me too. If I roll through, put you in the mood, it could be just me and you, 'cause baby you missed the stroke. Let me know when you're alone, and we can ride the boogie. Baby, you missed the stroke. Just call and I'll come back to you.
Hey y'all, it is, what time is it? It's 8:30. Just finished eating dinner, and I want to show y'all something that I'm so excited I found. So if you don't consume too much dairy, or you're trying to go a dairy-free route of food or drinks, I found some dairy-free eggnog that tastes really good. So eggnog is one of them drinks, either you like it or you don't. And I love eggnog. I like the way it tastes, the consistency, and everything. So when I stopped drinking dairy products, that was one of the dairy products I really, really missed. And I finally found, bless you, I finally found a brand that I think it tastes pretty close to the original eggnog. I forgot the name of the brand that everybody probably knows if you drink eggnog. I'll put a picture right here. But Chobani has Oat Nog. And it tastes so freaking good. No, it's not the consistency of eggnog. Eggnog is really thick. This is thin, but it tastes good to me. So I just want to share that with y'all. So if you don't consume dairy and you want to have eggnog, I would say try this brand out. It's so good. I tried other brands throughout the years, and let me tell you, they was nasty. I didn't even want to give it to my sister or my mother or anybody. I just dumped it down the drain. It was so daggone nasty. This one right here, I'm almost done. I got it like 2 days ago, and I'm almost done.
And we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the boat, work it in the milk. I wanna ride the boat.
to the holidays. Now, don't get me wrong. It don't taste like the original eggnog, but it's a pretty good alternative. Oh, and I got it from Giant if you're interested in purchasing some.